Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the King's Kitchen. Due to some factor, I changed my channel into King's Magic Kitchen. And I'm gonna show you guys later why did I change it into King's Magic Kitchen. Okay, let's start today. Now I'm gonna show you guys what magic is. I want a cutting board. Alright, we got a cutting board. I also need a kitchen knife. I also need a bowl. And maybe a pair of chopsticks. Alright, so what do we need else? Oh, I didn't introduce you guys about today's dish. So today we're gonna do the scrambled egg with onions. So definitely we need eggs and onions. Alright, so now I need the onion. We got this round onion. And also we need eggs. Alright. We got everything. We're good to go. Okay, finally I see we need salt. Okay, now we're ready to go. Okay, so guys, first we need to peel this onion. Magic. Okay guys, now we got a peeled onion. And right now, I'm gonna cut this onion. So first of all, we cut this onion into half. Alright? So we got basically 2 hemispheres. Alright. And then we just cut like this. Alright, there's a tip. When you cut onion, or before you cut the onion, I suggest you to put it into the cold water. It's gonna eliminate the spicy molecule. Or, if you want a spicy eyes, then you can go for that. And we cut the second half of the onion the same way. Oh! Spicy. I forgot to put it into the cold water. I'm literally crying right now. Don't be like me. Oh. Louis, it's so spicy. I miss my mom. Okay guys, now I'm gonna split this onion pieces. So I need a plate. Plate. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this. As you can see, we can split all these onion pieces easily. Easy. Oh. And this is the most spicy moment. No kidding. Actually, I really miss my mom right now. You know, sometimes when you try to be an actor, want to perform something, especially about the crying part, it's easy. You just peel onion like me, without putting it into the cold water before cutting and splitting. I'm pretty sure 10 out of 10, you're gonna cry, and it's unnatural. I need ambulance now. Now we got a whole plate of onion pieces. You can see my tears in my eyes. Alright. Okay, now we got a plate of onion slices. Okay, now we're gonna deal with these 2 eggs. So, watch this. I'm gonna punch this egg. Okay. Okay guys, we got these 2 eggs done, and now we're gonna use chopsticks to mix the yolk and egg white together. If you don't know how to do this with the chopsticks, you can go back to my previous video, which is my first video as well. And then we put some salt into that. It depends on how many eggs you put in. Usually 1 egg is a half spoon of salt. So 2 eggs is about 1 spoon of salt. Alright. Okay, all the pre-steps are done right now. Let's cook it. Before you learn how to do Chinese food, this thing has always been the same. You always want the wok to be hot and the oil to be cool. So we want the wok to be heat like 2 minutes. Okay, now this wok is heated right now. We need to put the oil into this wok. So usually we want 2 spoons of oil because we got 2 eggs. And also we need to do the scrambled egg first. Alright. Now I just pour the whole thing into this. So by the way, I don't suggest you guys use the chopsticks or use your hand to finish this. So we also need a spatula. So we just kind of let all the liquid egg go through the wok and the oil. Make them turn to hard. About 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. This can be totally done. Alright. And also, we need another plate. Get the egg out of the wok. And then we turn on the fire again. And just put a little bit of oil into the wok. Just a little bit, because before it still has some oil. And now we're gonna make these onion slices. So usually when the onion slices turn to yellow and a little bit softer than before, so make sure it's yellow and softer, and you can turn off the fire. Alright, since this much of onion slices is legit a whole onion, so we need some salt into it. Usually it's just 2 spoons of salt. That's totally enough. Because remember, you already put some salt before into the eggs. And then mix them together, because you don't want some onion too salty. Don't be salty. No matter to onions or to your friend. Alright, so you guys can see right now, these onions, they turn to yellow and get softer, right? And then we put all the eggs into this. Alright, then use the spatula to cut this egg into pieces. It's your own choice, it's your own free choice actually. You can cut them in big pieces or small pieces, doesn't matter. Just make sure to mix the egg and the onions together. After about 2 minutes. You guys also can leave the comments below the video to compare. The scrambled eggs with tomato is more delicious or this is more delicious. Now, as you can see, they are well cooked. We just need an empty plate and get all of them out of the wok into the plate. Alright. This is scrambled egg with onion. And don't forget to turn off your fire. As you can see, there are some hot steams. And it also smells good. Go to heaven. Okay, now I'm gonna taste this for you guys. See if it's good or not. I'm gonna get a slice of onion. It's so goddamn freaking good. You guys must try this. Good. Alright. My cameraman also gonna taste this. Come on, Louis.
What? What do you say? I'm gonna taste it?
Yeah, taste it.
Are you joking?
No. I'm gonna tease your tongue.
Alright.
I'm gonna tease your tongue.
Okay, guys, I don't know.
How is it, Louis?
Well, it's actually pretty good.
Okay, guys. Since last week, I posted my first YouTube video and it got 156 views, which is pretty good. I really appreciate and thank you guys for supporting my video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as well and smash that like button, subscribe for me. Thank you guys. And also at the end of this video, I have a little surprise for you guys. I'm gonna show you guys a magic trick with my man Louis. Because my channel right now is called King's Magic Kitchen. So every video I'm gonna show you guys a magic trick. It's simple and you can learn it. Also, I'm gonna post my tutorial of the trick in the next video. So be sure to stick around and subscribe for me. Watch my video. Learn cook and tricks. Alright guys, let's go into the magic time. I'm gonna let my man Louis as the spectator. So Louis, I want you to shuffle this deck. Feel you're happy and satisfied. Alright, now I want you to blindly just take 9 cards out of the deck. Alright. So for the whole trick, we're just gonna use the 9 card. Okay. Now I'm gonna make this card into 3 piles. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. I want you to pick a pile and flip the whole thing over. Alright. So this is your card. It's full of spade. So what am I gonna do next? I'm just gonna put your card back to the deck. And I'm gonna spell out your card and try to use the secret word to find your card. So F-O-U-R O-F S-P-A-D-E. And the secret word is magic. M-A-G-I-C. Business card.
Holy shit! Wow, I want to learn it.
Alright. That's our trick here. If you want to learn how to do this trick, be sure to stick around with my next video because I'm gonna put my tutorial in next video. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. We'll see you guys next week.